Hey there. Happy holidays from Bliss. So today's video is all about a three-step holiday hairdo bun. So this hairstyle is for my ladies who have tapered hair, but you are sporting box braids. Yes, y'all, this is my favorite new look. This is my hair, as you guys can see. It looks really full. So if you're wondering how I was able to get my braids look this full, please let me know down in the comment section below if you want me to do a video of me installing my box braids. Anyway, moving forward, as you guys can see, I got some beads in my hair. This is optional. You don't have to do this. Let's move forward with step one. Y'all, this is very, very simple. What you want to do is you want to gather all of your braids and pull it up into a ponytail. Once you do that, you can adjust your ponytail to sit as high or low as you would prefer. So I like mine to be centered in the middle of my head. By the way, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, listen, y'all, subscribe, support to me. That is very vital. Encourage me to continue to release these great videos for you. Also, give me a big thumbs up if you love tapered natural haircuts. Yes. Okay, so I finally got my bun centered to where I want it to be. So we're at step two, which is you want to start pulling hair from the back of the ponytail and bringing it to the front of your head and wrapping it around your twist tie, your rubber band, whatever choice of twist tie you decided to use to pull your hair up in the ponytail. And so I'm doing that, and then I gather hair again from the back of the ponytail and I bring it around the opposite way, and I continue to follow these steps until I have the bun that I desire. So you can make this as big or as tight or as loose as you prefer. I like mine tight. You will need some bobby pins to help keep things in place. Use as many or as little as you like. By the way, if you're not following me on the Instagram, check me out there. I am constantly releasing pictures there, so stay current with me. Okay, so after I have my desired bun, the next thing I want to do is I want to either apply moisturizer to my tapered cut, or if you're good to go, you can bypass that step. And then I want to take my handy dandy brush, and I just want to brush along my tapered sides because we can't have that looking crazy out there in these streets. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so brush, 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 brush. I'm feeling myself right now. I think this is so cute. I think I'm gonna call this one the cinnamon hair bun. No, the cinnamon holiday hair bun. Now, I have done this with my afro puff, you guys, and it turned out beautiful. I will have a card above for you guys to go ahead on and check that out to see what that look like with natural hair as well. Also, I'm going to follow through with my Murray's Edge beeswax. Y'all, I love this stuff. This really, really works for me because the average gel doesn't seem to get my baby hairs laid down to my liking. So this is what I've been using, and I have been using this particular container for months. So you definitely get your bang for your buck. After I have the edge wax applied, I'm going to follow through with my comb, and I am going to style these baby hairs to my liking. Yes. Okay, if you got a toothbrush or a baby hair brush, use that, but I'm just an all-in hands girl. I just go in with my hands. That's just me. Anyway, you guys, so let me stop shooting off at the mouth, and I hope you guys enjoy these results. Yes, yes, hunty, because I love it. Bam, 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 and bam, bam. That girl looking good. Yeah. I hope this video was very helpful for you out there. And guess what? I'll see you tulips in the next one. Yes, baby. Yes. Smooches.